Welcome. In this session, we are going to understand how data models can be created in Node.js. We'll go to our project using brackets, and within this project, we are going to create a new directory models. So here you can see that we have a directory known as models, and within this models directory, we are going to create a new file. Within this models directory, let's say this file will be known as, let's say I'm going to make a model for students, and I'm going to create a JavaScript file for this here. As soon as we have created students, now what next we have to do is, we are going to create a variable, and let's say name of the variable will be students, and within this what we are going to do, so within this variable we have created an array, and we are going to store information in form of adjacency matrix here. So what we can do is, let's say we can create some individual objects here, and within these objects we are going to create keys and we are going to store values. So let's say I would like to create individual objects here, and within this object I am going to create 3 keys. The first key will be an ID key, and let's say the ID will be something like student 1. Then what we'll have is, we'll have another key, and another key will be, let's say, name, and within this key what we are going to do, we are going to store an information. Let's say I will store my name Devanshu, and the third value will be, let's say, something like marks or something. So let's take the keys in small letters, marks, and what next we have is, let's say we are going to define marks as an integer value, let's say something like 50. So we can define as many objects here. So this is, for example, you can consider it as a JSON response. We can have individual marks for students here, 50, 60, 70, and we can have individual IDs as well, and we can have different names as well. Let's say we're going to change the names a little bit. So now what you can see is, we have created a model here, and within this model what we did, we have created a students array, and this students array is an array of objects, and within every individual object we have some keys available, and with respect to keys we have some values available for the keys. So now what we can do is, we can make use of these models in our application. So how we can make use of these models? What we are going to do, we are going to create an MVC application in which, using our controller, we are going to read the model, and once we have read the model, we are going to display these models on a graphical user interface, or you can say the HTML Jade layout. Okay. So to do this, in the next session we are going to create a layout, and in that layout we are going to make use of these models with the help of controllers. Thank you for watching.